Well, today we are actually going to learn how to do all of our letters with a Play-Doh fun pack that we got. So we're going to first start with our stampers. We have the letter A. Yay! And the letter A looks like this. Look at how beautiful that looks. That's our letter A. All right, our next letter we have is B. Look at that, the letter B. We're going to take it and stamp it. And that's the letter B. Look at that. How cool.
I got more Play-Doh.
Okay, honey, we'll put that down. Now we're going to do the letter C. All right, let's stamp it. And we have, oh, come on, letter C. Uh-oh, it's a little messed up. But that's okay. That's our letter C. It looks just like it. Yay! Now we're going to do the letter D. Look at that. D. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that looks. Now we have the letter E. And voila, E. So we have A, B, C, D, E. Now we have the letter F, and it is, we are holding it that way, so it is the way it is. This is upside down, but this is the letter F. It's backwards and on the cam, but that's okay. This is the right way it looks. So this is F. Yay! And we're gonna stamp it and see how it looks. We have the letter F. Yay! All right, now here's G. Here's the letter G. We're gonna put the letter G this way and stamp it. And there's our letter G. Look at that. Yay! Woohoo! We have our letter H. Here's our H. Put it on our Play-Doh and stamp it. Look at that. It's the letter H. Woohoo! All right. Now we're going to go on to the letter I. Where's our letter I? Right here. I. And we stamp it. All right. And what do we got? The letter I. And we have our letter J. This is our letter J. Right side up this way. It's our letter J. All right. It's our letter J. Then we have our letter K. Look at that K. Here we go. Stamp it. It's a letter K. How pretty do these look? Alrighty, then we have our letter L, and our letter L is right here, and it is backwards on the cam, but here, this is what it looks like. It's the letter L, and we put our stamp on it, and there it is. It's our letter L. Now we have the letter M. Here's what our M looks like, and look at that, the letter M, yay! And here's our letter N, and our N looks like this. Look at that. Okay, hold on, honey, 1 second. And yay! Okay, baby, we will. Hold on, okay? O, and this is our O. Oh, look at that. Yay! Clap, Zainab. Here's our letter P, and there's the P looks like, and we're going to put our stamp on it, and there it is, P. Now let's look at Q, and this is what our Q looks like, and Q, yay! And let's make it a little better looking. Let's see how that.
Mommy, Z.
Q, yay! And then we have our letter R. Look at that. Yay! Look at that. And then our letter S. This is our letter S. And this is what S looks like. All right, S. Look at that. Okay. Now we're going to go into our T. And T is right here. And we're going to stamp it. And this is what our T looks like. T. All right. And now we're going into our U. And our U looks like this. And U. How pretty. All right. And now here's our V, and this is what our V looks like. Wowie. And V. Oh. Here's our W. This is what our W looks like. There's W. And now, all right. Now we're going into our X, and this is what our X looks like. Aww, an X, yay! Alright. Then we got our Y. Okay, Mommy. Y. Alright, and we need one. Where's our C? We gotta find our Z. We're gonna put our Z on this. Where's our letter Z?
I think so. It's gone.
Oh, you think it's gone? Well, what'd you do with it?
Because I take it. No.
Oh, well, we have it here somewhere. Let's find our letter Z.
No, here. Here. No. No.
Oh.
No. No.
Oh, we're gonna draw the letter Z, okay?
Okay, we can't find it because we can't. No.
Do you know what it looks like?
It's like Z. I think so. It's Z.
All right, well, we're gonna have to draw our letter Z. So here is our Z. Oh. All right, there's Z and Z and there's our letter Z. Woo! No. All right. Well, there's all our letters we got. Look how beautiful they look.